Hello everyone and anyone that is watching. It is Sunday, June 26th at 6:54 p.m. This is an update on USD Canadian dollar. My video I had posted this change to the upside on the 4-hour. So I decided I was going to put a small entry in right here. I know I said I wanted it to come back a little bit, but recently, I don't know, especially since I've been doing these videos, I just wanted to get my toes wet and see what happens. So I put in a small position right here. Oh, wrong button. Right in this area here, I put in a small position. I think I marked it with an arrow or something. I got this little thing here. So I had a stop loss down in this area. I think originally my stop loss was here and realized I don't like that there. It's too close. I mean, yeah, I can, but I'm worried if it comes through this fair market value, it's going to take this out, but I don't think it'll come all the way down. So I put, I actually changed the stop loss to this area, but it's such a small position, it's not much of a big change. And we'll see. And right now it is going in the direction I had hoped, but I think it will ultimately come back here and then up, and we shall see. All right, that's that for US dollar, Canadian dollar on my update from the video on over the weekend. All right, have a great day. See how this pans out. Good morning. It is Monday, July 27th, 8:20 a.m. I'm doing a update on US dollar, Canadian dollar on a trade that I entered late Sunday night. So I marked the heck out of this chart overnight as things were going on. You could see here we were well below level. I think I entered somewhere around here with a small entry, and it came down, and I was watching, and I wanted to see if it would reject at this fair market value line, and it did, and it started coming up. And at this point here on the 4-hour, we were below, and there was a warning dot, and I was worried that it was going to change to a downtrend. So here, if it changed and went lower, I was going to cancel out of this trade. If it decided to go higher, I was going to look into buying more. And that is exactly what I did. As it came and tested the top of this box, I bought a little more with a similar stop loss down here. And as you can see, it continued along. I was worried about what it was going to do off of this fair market value line overnight. Excuse me, and it was so late, there was nothing I could do. So I slept through this rejection, which I'm kind of glad I did. I would have been worried that it was coming back down, but it changed and has continued up. We are still on a uptrend on the 4-hour. I'm still in this. Wait for some sort of, maybe if it comes up to this area here, I mean, it may turn around at any point, maybe bang off of this institutional level there, created from back here. So it may bang off this level here. We'll see. I'm watching this. Let's see the pattern developing. We got here, up, down, up, and it's going to possibly come back down to this area and then head up, which is what we would like. And that is what's going on with the US dollar, Canadian dollar. This one so far has been a good read. Success. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yay. But it may go down. Either way, I'm going to come out for at least break even. But I'll get out if it starts really tending down. And again, if I see a trend change on the 4-hour, I typically make it my go-to out. Doesn't happen all the time, but it's usually my indicator. All right, everyone. I'll give you some more updates as they go on. Bye. Good afternoon, anyone and everyone who may be watching this. This is a continuing update on USD Canadian dollar on an entry I took on Sunday evening. It is still going in the direction I had hoped that it would go in. Currently, I accidentally closed this out. Last night I put a take profit up in this area in a dazed stupor, and it took it. We're still on an uptrend. I probably wouldn't have taken it off if I was awake and more with it. Either way, this is good. We had two big reactions off of this this liquidity level here. Came back up. We have a new box. This thing could very well be heading up to this level right here that we see on, might be heading up to this level right there, which equates to, it's all the way up here. That would be a nice profit. Come off, but it could easily decide that it has done its run and is looking to now take this out a little bit here and then maybe run back down. We'll see. This is still ongoing, and this is good. I think I'll put these last 3 videos in one, and we'll go from there. Bye.